morning. We're in Pasco, Washington at one of our fields, and we're doing a little bruise ball test. Dan, what did we do this morning?
Yeah, so the bruise ball is shaped to be the size of a typical potato that we run, and it has sensors inside that are able to track the G-force and the velocity change. And so when this falls and it hits something, we're able to see how great that impact is, and from that we're able to see roughly how many of the potatoes are going to be bruising. So it gives us a general idea to go off of, you know, based on baseline that we do, and we do this field to field. We run it right through the digger. You might be able to see behind us there. It gives us some very valuable information on keeping the bruise low.
Excellent. So this particular field, what type of soil are we in?
This soil is loamy soil for potato growing. Sand kind of lets the water run right through it, protects the potatoes. Pretty good soil.